Today we're looking at section 7.7, which is about translations. And so we've been working within the coordinate plane, and we've kind of been locating things on the plane. Today we're going to talk about how we can do some translations. So first off, let's know what a translation is. Not the same as translating into a different language. Translation in geometry deals with changing, transformation. So let's first talk about transformations. So there's things that you can do to a shape or a polygon that's on the coordinate plane. Anytime you make a move or change its location or size or shape, that is a transformation, okay? And today we're going to talk about a specific way to transform a polygon, and that's a translation, okay? So let's go back. First off, a transformation is anytime you are changing a polygon's location a change in a polygon's location, size, orientation, shape, okay? I think those are all the ones they have. Okay, yeah, size and shape. So again, that would be like a triangle on our polygon, on our coordinate plane. If I make it bigger or smaller, or I turn it, or I flip it over, or I move it from here to here. All of those would be examples of transformations. Today we're going to talk about a translation, which is simply slide. I would say the best way to describe it is like sliding the polygon from one location to another. Okay, so we're going to say it involves moving or sliding a figure or a point. So we talked about transformations deal with polygons, but we can do some movements even with just points. And so we'll practice with some points as well. Our first example, we're going to look at, they're going to give us some points, okay, some ordered pairs, and they're going to give us kind of the path or the directions, so that we'll know how to translate each ordered pair into its new location, okay? So it's saying for every x, we're going to take that x value and move it backwards 3. We're going to take every y value and increase it by 2, and that will give us our new location. So let's first start by plotting the points we have. So the first point is 1, 0. So when x is 1, y is 0. When b is 2, sorry, x is 2, y is 2. And then letter C, when 4, x is 4, y is 2. All right, so kind of small. Let me see if I can make this bigger. All right, and so here we have A, B, and C, okay? And we're gonna connect those. You would use a straight edge. I'm just gonna sketch it today, all right? And now we're gonna use our translation formulas here. So I'm going to say it was 1 minus 3 is going to be negative 2. So when x is negative 2, and then y is plus 2, so 0 plus 2 gives us here. So here's our new A, or what we call A prime. And then for B, 2 minus 3 is a negative 1. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our second B term. And then for C, 4 minus 3 is 1, positive 1. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So here is our new shape. Again, use a straight edge to make sure that it is straight. All right, so we just see that we just slid the shape from one location to another, or we translated it, okay? They also may ask you to go the other direction. If they show you the picture, they may ask you how did one point change to the other. So you're gonna see how far it went left or right, and that will tell you what to do for your x value. So if it was here and it went backwards 1, 2, 3, I know it's gonna be the x value minus 3. Once I'm here, I see that it went up 2, so then I would say it's whatever the y value is plus 2. And you can find that from any of the points, like from any point B to its second B. It would go, well, how many to get in line? 1, 2, 3, so minus 3, and then up 2 plus 2. Okay? So again, we're gonna take a look at this some more in class, and we'll get some more practice.